Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Visual Studio open, so start by focusing on the interface. From the top menu, choose View to reveal panels. This is where Solution Explorer lives. Once done, scan the list for Solution Explorer and click it to dock the window. If you prefer keyboard speed, press Ctrl plus Alt plus L and the panel appears immediately. Make sure you notice where it docks. You can drag and pin it to the left or right for consistent access. Now that you've opened Solution Explorer, refine its visibility. If the panel is collapsed, look for small vertical tabs along the editor edges and expand them. Once expanded, you can right-click the title bar and choose Auto Hide or Pin to control behavior. If panels are missing, use Window then Reset Window Layout to return everything to default positions. Finally, for a quick find, press Ctrl plus Q and type Solution Explorer. This immediately highlights the command so you can open it. With Solution Explorer visible, you can manage projects, expand nodes, right-click items to add files, or open properties. This is where structure meets action. Once you finish adjustments, pin the window so it stays put, or choose Auto Hide to save screen space. If Solution Explorer still does not appear, try Reset Window Layout and then restart Visual Studio. This resolves most UI glitches. If that fails, verify your installed workload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.